Slice cutting these keeps them kind of in the tree. You freaking branch. The idea here is to do this without hitting the gutter, without hitting the plants. So you can't just cut it down. You gotta be kind of strategic. And then, let me walk it out this way.
Okay. My way?
Your way? The wood's heavy. Hollywood. I'll peel it down. This is like deceivingly heavy. Was in there good? That's fine, we can leave it if we need to. I'll peel this one down to you. Should we carry this out? Probably carry some of this out. I like that slice cut action. Alrighty. Pull this one. Sheesh. That's funny. I think I'm gonna slice cut these two, so that way they stay in the canopy still and come down and not out. Slice cutting these keeps them kind of in the tree, so we can pull these down now. There you go, yeah, walk backwards away from the tree. All right, walk it out. Oh, it's tangled hard. Here, so you can grab it. All right, let's warm up this chipper. BC 1000 XL diesel turbo. Does pretty well. I haven't had any complaints. I do have a bigger chipper coming. A 15-inch brand new, but this has gotten me as far as it's gotten me, which is, well, you guys don't know, pretty far. Enough to get a new chipper and truck, that's for sure. It's starting to warm up out here, but our little holly tree's coming apart. It doesn't look like it, but it is. It looks like it hasn't even changed. It's just thick.
We just limbed it up at this point.
Yeah. Ow! You got me. Those little suckers would bite you.
Yeah.
When trees fight back. Alright, let's do some chipping. Holly is pokey. These have little sharp tips on the end of these leaves, so it's kind of pokey. I'm cutting it, letting Jake grab it first before I just let it fall. Just controlling it a little bit more. Nice and orderly, the way we like it. Alright, let's clean this up. Gotta have those pole saw cutting skills too. We're not just hacking here. Watch your feet when the slice is out. Nice, perfect. Let me cut this up a little bit. Oh look, I didn't see these little knickknacks over here. Knickknacks, is that the right word for that? What's another word for those things? Trinkets? Maybe they're idols. Ooh, they're glass too. I'm just gonna set these in here a little further. We'll put these back up. Wow. That's wood. These are glass. That's metal. Those are glass. Sheesh. Wood is heavy. Put a slice cut the center here to go straight down with it. Yeah, it shouldn't go anywhere, but just be on your toes. Perfect. If it hangs, I'll just cut it up from there. Oh, let me get a saw. Count of 3. You get those branches, Jake. You freaking branch. There we go. Like a bean pole. Boing, boing, boing. Tree work is delicate sometimes. Get your butt out of my face, Jake. Get your face out of my butt. Here, let's just get these. I could face cut this piece and bring it out right here. Hey, that'll work. Perfect. Holy crap, this is heavy. Oh my god. Why is it so awkward? Alright. follow these little sticks like I follow a regular tree. So I'm gonna peel it down. Peeling it, keeping it close to the tree. Because when it comes down, it swings back towards the tree. Do a snap cut on this one. There we go. Another snap cut. You just have to go past the hinge, just past that line. Yep. I'll just kind of keep it small because this rose bush is right here. My head's getting tired looking up. I'm just trying to protect this plant right here. Take your finger off that trigger. Probably top it now. I'm aiming for the bucket. Got it.
Bang on.
Bang on, mate. A little reg in there. Who put that there? Dang it, Jake. Perfect. Perfect. We like peeling them. Dang it. That's hard to do. I like the sound of that snap cut on this wood. Ooh, I'll do a traditional face cut just for the fun of it. I don't like it, but that's what.
Shallow there, bud.
I don't like it, but people do it. Whoa.
Easy.
Jeez, a little shrapnel. Break the wrist, walk away. Oh wait, he says, snap the wrist, walk away. Somebody said I sound like Napoleon on one of my videos.
You are a little nasally.
I loved it. I put the love symbol on it. That's a good show. Nasally, great. I'm using this saw a lot. MS-261 Sumaro bar on it. Light and tough. Made in the USA. Just kidding. Japan. West Coast felling dogs on it. So you said you guys want this like about here? Jesus, poked me. Makes some pretty good chips too, as you can see here. Not bad. Good for gardening. You'll have to, this thing's going to continue to grow sprouts and stuff, so you'll just have to maintain it. That's a wrap.